To set the low flow shutdown threshold for each station, press the right arrow button. Use the plus and minus buttons to select a percentage between 20% and 90% of normal flow. If a station's flow drops below this level, the controller will shut it down, trigger an alarm on the display, and continue through the rest of the program. For example, if you set the threshold at 70% and Station 5 reports just 50% of normal flow, that station will shut down. The controller will move on to the next station and finish the program. Afterward, the display will show an L for low flow, the affected station number, Station 5 in this case, and ERR. If multiple stations hit the low flow threshold, the controller will keep trying to move forward. If all stations trigger a low flow alarm, that could point to a bigger issue, like a dead-headed pump or closed water supply.